Owen and Jamie were bored. Bored. It was Saturday afternoon, the devices were dead, the day was cloudy and cold, and everything was blah. "Look what I found," Mom said. "I found it in your grandfather's old desk." The paper was old and faded. It read, "A treasure lies waiting, a treasure abounds, a treasure lies waiting, waiting to be found." Jamie and Owen looked at each other with wide eyes. Treasure! To find the treasure, find the sand. Act like a pirate, twin islands off the land. "I know where that is," Jamie cried. "Irving Nature Park." Mom grabbed the car keys and they were off. Jamie kept reading. "Take the first step, find the X in the sand. Before the tide washes it away, your treasure is close at hand." They searched up and down the beach. "Over here," Owen cried. He found 2 logs crossed in the sand like an X. He dug deep and found the next clue buried underneath. The clue read, "The next clue will confuse and lead you astray. You'll be so lost you won't know what to say. The leaves block the view, you'll never find the way. The answer is at the center in the clear light of day." "I know where that is," Owen cried. "The hedge maze in the children's forest." "Let's go," Mom said. They ran through the children's forest, the sun starting to shine through the clouds, the day suddenly getting bright and hot. They raced through the hedge maze, the halls leading them this way and that, until at the center they found the next clue. The clue read, "In the east where water abounds, where dogs play nearby, where paths circle round and canoes glide by, the answer is near the gate, so you won't have to wait." "I know where that is," Jamie cried. "It's the reservoir on the east side." "Let's go," Mom said. They sped down the thruway, down the highway, across the causeway, and towards the reservoir. Jamie kept reading. "On the water by the ship, a tiny house of knowledge stands. You're close to the end of the trip, one more place to land." They searched the paths, they searched the parking lots, and then... "Look," Owen said, "a little library." Owen opened the door and grabbed the next clue. The clue read, "On the water by a fort lies a circle with a court. Follow the red path across the green towards the blue and feel the moon's calling to you." "I know where that is," Owen cried. "Harbor Passage." "Let's go," Mom said. They ran along the red paths. They cut across the green grass. They headed towards the blue of the bay. "Look," Owen cried. At the end of the path was a concrete circle, showing the phases of the moon and revealing the last clue. The last clue read, "Treasure abounds, waiting to be found. Stacks and stacks all around. In a building of brick, filled with joy, you'll find all you want, so much to enjoy. Books on the left, computers on the right, games in the middle for all to delight." "I know where that is," Jamie cried. "A library in Market Square." "Let's go," Mom said. They left the car behind and raced towards the library like knights on a quest. The sun shone over the brick building, guiding their way. The end of the journey was near. They sped through Market Square, past the museum and the food court. They raced up the stairs, the giant bookshelf sign calling to them. Excited, they ran to the library. Books and people were everywhere. There were computers upstairs, board games to sign out, free programs for all to enjoy. "But where's the treasure?" Jamie asked. "Right there," Mom said. She pointed to a display of books. The titles were all about treasure, with stories and fairy tales, books for young and old. The Shadow of Oak Island lurked on one cover, and the search for buried treasure. On another cover, a gold dragon guarded his loot. Even Dora the Explorer made an appearance, looking for the lost city of gold. Owen and Jamie were entranced by the books, with stories and tales to thrill them. They set aside piles of books to sign out for the weekend. "Wait a minute," Owen said. "Did you really find the clues on Grandfather's desk?"
Do you like to read? I know a place where you can go with more books than you've ever seen.